Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Postgresql to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First tab. Now search for HTTP and click on HTTP request. Then choose the HTTP method you want to use, such as delete, get, head, or any other depending on your setup. After that, enter the URL that will continue to your Postgresql API or service. Next, choose the authentication type. This can be none, or predefined credential type, or generic credential type. Click on Select Credential, then on Create New Credential. Here, enter your API key to authorize the connection, and then click on Save. Once that's done, you'll see option to turn toggles on or off to send query parameters, headers, or request body depending on your needs. After completing everything, go back and review your setup to make sure the Postgresql connection is ready. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.